Fried rice is one of my absolute favorite dishes. Surprisingly, I really never make fried rice the exact same way. It all depends on what I can lay my hands on, and that's so cool. Hi guys, let's make this delicious veggie fried rice. Spread some oil in your pan and place it on medium heat. Then you can go in with your diced beef. Fry it till it's golden brown and set aside. In the same pan, you pour some vegetable oil, then you go in with your shrimps. Fry for about 2 minutes, then set it aside. You don't want to go in with an overcooked shrimps. It's time to introduce my vegetables. I'll be starting off by topping up my vegetable oil, then add some seasoned oil in a pan too. Then I'll go in with my onion, garlic and ginger powder. Saute for about a minute. Then I'll go in with my well-seasoned vegetable. I'm going in with my carrots. I'll be frying this for 1 minute. Then I'll introduce my green bell pepper and my yellow bell pepper. If you want to be seeing more of my videos, please subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so you'll be able to get notification whenever I post a new video. I really need your support. Thank you. So I'll stir fry. At this point, I'll be adding the beets and the shrimps. Bear in mind that we're still cooking on low heat. These are other ways you could support this channel. You can support this channel by liking this video, dropping a comment, and subscribe. So at this point, the food is almost ready. We just added our broccoli. I'll stir again for a few seconds before I go in with my basmati rice. And if you want to see how I prepare my basmati rice, drop a comment in the comment section, then I'll make a special video for it. So my rice is in now, and I'm going to fry this for another 1 to 2 minutes and the rice will be ready. So you don't want to leave this and go away. You just have to be here and continue stirring until every grain is well fried. That is why it's called fried rice. Interesting guys, this rice was so yummy. Was so yummy. Everyone was just licking their plates. Trust me, I'm not capping. It was so delicious. So let me know if you're going to try this recipe. Bye.